Welcome back to Nikit Engineers series on welding automation and robotics solutions. In Part 2, we dive deeper into the fascinating world of helical bracket welding using robotic welding arms. The helical bracket, with its intricate design and complex geometry, presents a unique challenge in traditional welding processes. However, with the precision and flexibility of robotic welding arms, Nikit Engineers has revolutionized this aspect of fabrication. Our state-of-the-art robotic welding arms are equipped with advanced sensors and programming, allowing them to seamlessly navigate the intricate curves and angles of the helical bracket. This ensures uniform and high-quality welds every time. At Nikit Engineers, we don't just provide equipment, we offer comprehensive solutions tailored to our clients' specific needs. Our team of experts works closely with you to design, implement, and optimize robotic welding solutions that maximize efficiency and productivity. Experience the future of welding automation with Nikit Engineers. Contact us today to learn more about our cutting-edge solutions and take your fabrication process to the next level. Stay tuned for more insights into our innovative solutions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.